I'd say an idea is not a good idea until you test it and see what you get.
I would say pay attention to technology because you have to be tech savvy. Doesn't mean you have to have a PhD in artificial intelligence, but you have to be tech savvy to kind of understand the opportunities that are out there in the next 10 years.
I would tell them nothing's that hard. Nothing's rocket science, but rocket science. Going into this, you think creating a brokerage is hard, and it wasn't easy, but you'd be surprised how SEC and FINRA aren't that sophisticated. And in talking to them, the processes aren't that complicated, and you can do it. And there's not that many people thinking of good ideas and actually going after it. So if you have a good idea, go after it.
And I think I would say come at everything with empathy. So I think you got that in your slide, but I think that means you're, did I steal yours? But that you're going to end up with a good product that's serving people and that's doing good in the world, and that's what you should want to do.
All right, so now I have to think of something else. No, come at everything with empathy and kick down a lot of doors, just disrupt a lot, look for new ways of doing things, utilizing new technology. That's it.
Awesome. With that, please join me in thanking our panel.